Hello? Hello? Wait, this is not a phone. Yet.
My Steam Deck has a lifelong dream of becoming a tablet that a toddler open-mouth coughs on. So here we are, we're putting Android on the Steam Deck. Except we have one problem. See all these games on here? I don't want to have to reinstall all of them, so I have a solution. Random off-brand SSD that I hope I didn't just break. It was literally the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. And we're gonna put it in you. Well, I guess I'll be taking this thing apart now. Almost forgot. Wouldn't want to end up with a cracked SD card, would I? Alright, how many warranties are we voiding today? 1, 2... Wait, is this screw factory stripped? What's going on here? Is my screwdriver just dumb? They've child-proofed this thing. Why am I installing Android on this? That's a great question. I don't know. I kind of want to see what kind of stupid Android games we can play on here. There, this cheap iPhone one is spinning it. And then once we get Android on here, we're going to see if it can game like a regular Steam Deck. Probably with a huge hindered experience. What are we going to play on here? Minecraft Pocket Edition? There, all the screws are out. Now let's hope I don't break something by taking this apart. Thinking about it now, I probably could have just installed it to a micro SD card and not had to take this whole thing apart, but kind of too late now. There we go. And now where is the SSD? It's under this thing. Oh, good, I put a fingerprint on it. Now it'll never look the same inside. I sure hope I don't do irreparable harm to my Steam Deck. Oh, there, look at that. Nice and clean. Let's keep it that way. Battery unplugged. Let's get the gaming SSD out now, and let's put the non-gaming SSD in here. Ew. Can't wait to have Android on here. It's gonna run so well, and I'm gonna be able to play so many games. Perfect! Now we can install terrible things on you. Yeah, I'm not, putting this thing all the way back together. Just gonna put this plate back on, kind of hold the back on, and then we'll start installing Android on it. Perfect! Ready for Android. And now we're gonna infect this drive with Android. Yay, it's ready! In you go. Limpus Lite. What the hell is Limpus? It's never Limpus. Alright, let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Oh, whoa, hold on. It says it's gonna do something. I wanna install it. Installation mode. Oh my god, it's bloody not working, mate. No, mate, no! Yeah, so the fan is just blowing cold air, and I get to see the reflection of shame. Something tells me this is not working, because, you know, if it was, it would be blowing hot air, like a politician, and I think it would have finished by now, because it's been like 10 minutes. Luckily, I have a backup plan, so that was just regular Android x86. We have something called BlissOS. So I'm just gonna flash the ISO on here, and we'll see what happens. Wow, mate, it's done. Ooh, we got a thing. You can install FFmpeg if you want to. Let's just install it. Sometimes I just expect things not to work, but it's working this time. What is this? UEFI says, wait, stop. No, I can't read it. Select a partition if you don't know. Okay, type yes or no, or press escape. How am I going to type yes or no? Okay, we gotta get a keyboard. Okay, I've got the world's most obnoxious keyboard. Look at it. You don't mind if I just take this out, do you? I'm gonna type yes, and then I'm gonna press enter and quickly plug this back in. You know, I could just use a USB hub, but that's not fun. We like to do things stupid on here. Okay, I'm typing yes over here. Enter. The partition table has been altered. Yay! Restarting the installer. Hey, there we go. It's detected. Okay, let's install it. This is not an EFI system partition. Please check again. What? Okay, what do you mean? It literally is. We're gonna set this to EFI system. Why was it set to Linux file system? Partition table has been altered. Oh, yes. It is an EFI. It worked. Select a file system format. We'll do FAT32, sure. Whoa, that was fast. Did it work? How many cycles can we put on this USB-C port? A lot. Type EFI. Okay, now we're good. And this time when I go to it, I will tell it not to reformat. Do not reformat. What? No install found to upgrade. What? Okay, we gotta restart the installer. Oh wait, is it working now? It told me there was no install, but now it's actually writing. Is it just done now? Okay, let me try rebooting. We're going to the BIOS. Oh wait, yeah. Refined boot manager. Okay, let's see if it boots into it. I think it might actually be working. If it took too long to detect, reboot and check your installation folder. How long is too long? Is this long enough? It's been like 15 minutes. There's a lot of dots on the screen. I think I'm gonna turn it off and try again. Oh, okay. We need to make 2 partitions. We need to make one for the EFI and then one for actually installing the OS. Let's do that. Oh, this looks a lot better. Cannot mount. Why? You cannot mount it? Why? Do you want to force format it? Yes. Did it work? Cannot mount. What do you mean you cannot mount it? Oh, now it's working. What happened? It literally gave me an error a bunch of times. Okay, well, we're doing it. Soon my Steam Deck will be the best phone ever.
It's going. Oh my god. Kermit the Frog is so happy he might strangle Miss Piggy.
Oh, yes, it installed successfully. Let's just run it. Small blue box.
Oh, balls going in a circle around a leaf.
I can't wait to literally use this for nothing. Okay, let's see what Android on the Steam Deck has to offer. What? Why is it making a macOS sound? That was loud. Oh, God, that sound is so extremely loud.
Hello, I love balls going in a circle.
Interesting. Okay, there's got to be a way to rotate this screen. Will it just work? Oh, whoa. I did not know the Steam Deck had a gyro. Huh? I was about to say the stupidest thing known to man. The Steam Deck does have a gyroscope. And I knew that for sure, yes. Okay, well, we're connected to the internet. Can we watch YouTube? Here, let's watch this one. The Steam Deck. Wait, no, that's not. It's working. Wow. What else can we do on here? Oh, there's the Aurora store. I want to play Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, it loaded. Wow, it's working. Okay, just took like 47 tries. Oh, wait, I don't own Minecraft Pocket Edition on Google. We might have to sideload this. Oh, yay, the Minecraft Education Edition is free. Let's do this one. It's like real Minecraft, except smart. Okay, on this USB stick, I have brain rot from the absolute trenches of the internet. And what I mean by that is there is something on here called Skibbity Toilet Minecraft. So that's one of the things we'll be looking at. But first, it looks like Minecraft Education Edition is downloaded, so let's try that. Man, I can't wait to get smarter. I'm gonna make chemicals and like helium. What are you doing this? I've never played Minecraft Education Edition. I don't want to sign in. Why is there a chicken on a balloon? What? Something went wrong. I don't want to sign in. No, I'm not signing in. We have Minecraft on here anyway, so. Okay, what about Lego Star Wars The Force Awakens? Hey, it's working. Oh, app is not licensed. Okay, stop playing music before I get copyright struck. Alright, let's get this in here and install these APKs. We have GTA San Andreas. Do it. Install. Your tablet and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. I do not care. This is not a tablet, this is a Steam Deck. It'll be perfectly fine. I have a feeling we're not getting controller support. Netflix. What? Is this the Netflix version? Oh my god, it has to download 6 gigabytes? An active Netflix subscription is required to play. Okay, I didn't know this was Grand Theft Auto the Definitive Edition, and that it requires Netflix. I am not signing in to Netflix on this thing, nope. What about Minecraft? Are we frozen? Oh, it's working! Wow, it is not running great. In some backwards, stupid, convoluted way, I have just shown you how to install Minecraft Bedrock Edition on a Steam Deck, but we'll do it for real, actually, eventually. Wow. Peak Steam Deck. Oh my god. This is, like, actually probably the worst I have ever seen Minecraft run on a mobile device. I'm not even kidding. And I've seen it run on a Kindle Fire. That is certainly a delay. Watch this. Wow. Okay, can we mine a tree? Can we at least do that? Hello? Are you going to break? Huh? Okay, I'll go break a different one. Oh wow, it's hard to walk in a straight line. Can we break dirt? Oh, we broke dirt! Now, wait, what? We haven't played Minecraft until we craft something. Hold on. Is that a pink sheep? Of all odds, we get a pink sheep. That's crazy. Please allow me to look at the tree. Mining. Yes, I know how to play this game. Tap and hold to break blocks. Okay, wood is invincible in this version of the game. We just can use dirt. Can I use this? Oh, whoa, it's working. Oh, wow, the controllers work. That's certainly way better than using the touchscreen, so I'm gonna do that. So if you ever wanted to know the worst way to play this game with controller support on the Steam Deck natively, this is how. Oh, we actually got that piece of wood. That's great. Let's craft something. Oh, look at that. We crafted. We mined and crafted. What else can we do? What happens if I press the Steam button? Oh, it brings you home. This brings you to the app switcher, and you can use this to move around. What about Skibbity Toilet? I don't want to play this. Skibbity Toilet War. It had Minecraft on it. That's why it came up when I searched Minecraft. Do you want it to access your photos and media folder? Why does it need access to that? Okay. Oh, wow. That is rancid. Choose skin. Who do I want to be? We've got like 4 skins. Four, like the number 4 skins, like the thing that we're looking at. It will be Pepe. Download. You have to watch an ad to get it. Fine. Okay. I don't want to watch Talking Tom get oil poured on his finger. What? My Talking Tom too. I didn't see him talk once. No, I don't want to play with Tom. I'm not touching his feet. No, absolutely not. No. Oh my god. Cursed by the Steam Deck's terrible touchscreen. Get back into Skibbity Toilet war. We'll do Skibbity Toilet War, I guess. I can't believe I've said that multiple times now. Of course, we have to watch another ad. Get me out of here. No! Finally. Titan Speakerman is a Titan created by the Speakerman army. What? I don't know any of this Skibbity Toilet lore, and I do not want to. Is this installing a mod? Install mod, that's all I want. Are you kidding me? I have to watch another ad to get my Skibbity Toilet. Okay, now that I've generated the creator of this terrible app $250,000, I am finally downloading the stupid mod. It's install mod. Okay, do it. And then start. Can I play it now? Minecraft. Imported cartoon Skibbity Toilet characters. Okay. Oh my god. This is more than the thing can handle. What a surprise! The thing called the Skibbity Toilet didn't work. I am so happy that it didn't though. Well, that's about it for this. This is kind of cool. You can do Android stuff on the Steam Deck now. You know, if you wanted to call someone, it won't work because... yeah. Okay, well, we have successfully installed Android on a Steam Deck. And now I can live my dreams of using this as a phone or a tablet. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Check out my other channels, which are all over the screen, and also check out my music. And I'm also announcing the ability to become a channel member. If you'd like to become a member, you can get access to my videos early, just usually whenever they are uploaded. And it's just a way to show your support, but obviously it's completely optional. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.